Welcome to some more 3008 Tech. Today we're going to be covering store momentum. You're going to need a tool gun and a sled. So you're going to set the tool gun in the mod menu to the anchor tool. And then you're going to, go in the sled. Nothing new here. Going to anchor the sled in the middle of your process of moving, sledding. And then you're going to notice that it has some quite anomalous properties. So basically how this works is in previous versions of the game, not sure if it still works now, when you would have an item and you were like moving in a specific direction, you would place it down, it would act as like a conveyor, kind of like push you in that direction. Got quite, got quite tedious when you're building because you just be pushed off that specific object and then you have to replace it again. So now, since we have the tool gun, we can take advantage of that glitch and make this object. They might be wondering, wow, this is quite useless. But again, we have the tool gun. And what we can do with the tool gun is you can use the duplication tool, which will duplicate this as you store for duplication. And then boom, same exact knockback values. Now the reason why this wouldn't work with the manual duplication method that we have in previous versions is because when you duplicate it, you would just place it down again. That momentum that you had would be cleared. Now keep in mind this duplication thing also works for ropes, so more shenanigans with that later on. But anyways, so now that you have this, you can use this for some interesting scenarios. Now keep in mind I'm not the best builder, so the things I'm about to show you are gonna look absolutely terrible. So what we have here is a basic working conveyor type thing. You are going to hop on it, and it's going to push you along. That's it. You can make this however long you want. You can surround it by walls. Now I also believe this does work for items. So yeah, like you can actually like transport. Yeah, you can actually like transport some like big stuff here. Who is this? Ghost. Yeah. Gonna go for a little run. Oh. Wait, they just disappear. We don't talk about that little toy. But yeah, so that's a basic way. Another one, this can also be used for a employee deterrent. Since employees who run into this can also be pushed away. So theoretically, if you were to make a wall out of these things and have them all pushing in the right direction, it would just be an anti-employee base. Whatever employee would touch it would just go zooming away, because as you can see, they just kind of go. And so I think if I made it night here, they just kind of like, yeah,